Hello and welcome to Episode 8, Season 7 of A Brief History of Nothing on the 10th of September 2017, and a brief mention, tomorrow is the 11th of September, which will be the anniversary of the Twin Towers being bombed and with aircraft, and the Pentagon having an aircraft crashed into it.
Yes, they did also try for the White House, but the hijackers were overtaken by the passengers, and they crashed in the middle of the field.
Yep.
So, so luckily that didn't occur. Alright, for other things that happened on this day...
Well, in 1846, Elias Howe was granted the patent for the first patent for a sewing machine. And what happened in 1919?
1919, the Treaty of Saint-Germain-en-Laye, English is hard, French is harder, is signed, recognising Poland, Hungary, Czechoslovakia and Yugoslavia. So they went, you're a thing now.
Okay. In 1939, Canada declared war on Germany, thus joining the Allies in World War II. Obviously, Canada went, oi, stop picking on England.
And Germany went, no, we're going to continue picking on England. And Canada went, right, we're going to put our foot down. This is not acceptable.
Yes.
And
but they would have done it politely.
Because Canada.
Yes. They would have been firm but polite.
Yes. Stop picking. Stop it. Go to your room, Germany. That's enough.
Yes.
Here we go.
I'll point my finger at you. In 2002, Switzerland finally joined the United Nations. You cannot rush into these things.
No. No, the United Nations have only been around since 1946, so, it's take your time. It's cool.
It's cool.
And in 2008, the Large Hadron Collider is started for the first time.
Yes.
Finally booted her over.
Not the way I pronounced it.
No, which is not appropriate for family viewing. Alright, well, we're in the process of taking this one apart. This Toshiba Satellite L750D. We shall be showing you a time-lapse video of us
making a complete hash of it. It's dead. So we really didn't matter if we made a complete hash of it.
Yes. But what did I give you for Father's Day?
You gave me a little processor. Yes, 1.9 gig processor to go on.
Yes, because it originally had a 1.4 gig
Well, it
processor.
depends on what book you read. It's 1.4 or 1.5.
Yes, depending on what day of the week it is. But yes, so this one is the second fastest because I could get the Dutch balls, but it was going to be another $100 for something that you probably wouldn't have noticed.
What was it? 2 gig or 2.1 or something?
Yeah, it was something like another 50 megahertz. I was paying another $100. So
as you do, you just do.
As you do. So hopefully we'll show this putting it back together. Also, the reason why we have not had an episode last Sunday is because our main editing rig is sick at the moment.
Yes, basically it thinks it's a Model T.
Yes.
So it only works every second Tuesday if it's fine.
Yes. I'll be watching YouTube and I'll just hard lock.
Yeah. So we are going to edit this on my tiny little cheap ass HP.
Post office special.
That replaced this when it died. So wish us luck. So if you see it, it means we managed to make the poor little HP do the job.
And if there is a bushfire on the bay side of Brisbane, you know why.
Yeah, there's a little HP overheated, but no, I'm out of here.
See you guys, I'm on. Anyway, so here it is. Here's us mutilating this laptop.
Segways are hard.
Now, the second part of this will be when we put it back together, which should be even more interesting than pulling it apart.
Yes.
Okay, so birthdays on this day.
Well, Judy Gleason.
Yes, every teenage boy in the 60s dream. She was Pamela Dare in To Sir With Love. She played opposite John Wayne in the movie Brannigan. Yes, she was the archetypal pretty innocent blonde from the 1960s.
So the Kylie Minogue of the 1960s.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, really. I don't
Yeah.
think she sang, but so yeah, that was pretty much it. Yeah.
Pretty much. And in 1949, well-known conservative commentator Bill O'Reilly, "We'll do it live," is one of his famous lines. He won in this day 1949.
Yeah. If you're an Australian cricket fan, he should have changed his name.
No, the Australian
Because there
cricketer
is
should have-
only one Bill O'Reilly.
Yeah, there's actually two. One of them's like this hard right-wing person that I really don't like. The other one plays the most boring sport in the world.
Well, he played it in the 1930s.
Yes.
Okay, now, because Canada. Yeah. That's right, no.
Colin Firth.
Colin Firth, yes. I was
The
about
geography
to
is hard, obviously. England, Canada, same thing. To have people in them. The cold,
Cold Northern Hemisphere, that's close enough.
Russia, same thing.
Yeah. All the same. Colin Firth, where would you like to start with this man? The
Kingsman and
Bridget Jones's Diary, Bridget Jones's Diary 2, where else? Oh,
many things.
too many things to name.
We could
Mr.
list
Darcy and
we could list his IMDb page, but we might be
he's
here
in
all night.
one of my favourite films, Love Actually.
Yes, which is just a cheesy Christmas flick. But anyway,
How dare you?
it's a cheesy Christmas flick. Just deal with it.
Okay.
And Jay Laglia, I can't pronounce his last name.
Yeah, he was born in 1963. If it's been something filmed in Australia, he's probably been in it.
He was in Star Wars as well.
Yes, he was in episode 6, was it? Oh no.
Episode 6 was shot in 1983, Dad. So it would be episode 3.
Episode 3, yeah. Well, I knew it was divisible by 3. But it
He
doesn't
gets
matter. It's
Star Wars
only
wrong.
Star Wars, so who cares?
It's only Star Wars.
Yes,
I beg your pardon.
It's not like it's the real universe in Star Trek.
Yeah, well, they go around in pajamas.
In Star Wars, yeah, I noticed that.
In Star Trek, they go around in pajamas. And in 1968, Guy Ritchie.
Yep, Madonna's ex-squeeze, Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels. He was the
How many
producer,
squeezes
director.
has Madonna gone through?
Oh, a few, yeah. Yeah, so he's
So
the
he likes
English
to change
producer,
a bit.
director, writer.
Yes.
Does act occasionally too. So yes, that's what it is. All right. If you like us, hit like. If you don't like us, inflict this on your friends. We'll be, and please feel free to like our Facebook page and we have one other.
We have a Tumblr. I'm not posting a lot of it, but I should. I've been a little bit slack in that department. But we do have a Tumblr and we do have a blog. So hopefully I'll get onto that and actually get off my butt and actually do something about it.
Yes. All right. Now below us somewhere is the subscribe button. Please feel free to subscribe.
Yes, and a bell button. So you click it, and every time we upload something, your phone goes.
Yes, that's always best.
Yes, when your phone goes.
It's like having nights that say knee.
Notes that say me.
Monty Python is wasted on you.
I don't find Monty Python that funny, actually. Everyone's, the Dead Parrot sketch is amazing.
No, Department of Silly Walks.
Yeah, that's... Yeah, I watched it. Movie.
Go back to the early 70s. Me, as a teenager.
You were a
in
teenager
Brisbane.
in the 1970s.
Yeah.
I thought it was in the 1670s.
Thank you very much. I only know I learned to drive in the 70s.
What, on a horse and cart?
Thank you very much. Yes, so
Violence is not acceptable in
Brisbane,
a family
Queensland
show.
was a relatively conservative town, and Australian ABC, Australian
Broadcasting Corporation.
It was a commission in those days. Broadcast this show, Monty Python, and the first thing I'd ever seen was the Department of Silly Walks, and literally I fell about laughing. I had never seen anything like it in my life.
And one day they'll do something funny. Anyway,
and the next thing I want to say is Ipswich Theatre Company is currently doing a version of Les Mis. For those of you in southeast Queensland, do yourself a favour, go and have a look.
yes. Alright, well that's us for another fortnight. Hopefully fortnight.
Yes,
Hopefully.
hopefully a fortnight.
Hopefully fortnight. Hopefully his dinky little laptop will cope with video editing.
Yes. Alright, see you on the dark side. We ate all the cookies.
We ate all the cookies.
Bye.
Bye.